169, the jet.
P-51 Mustang, Fort Lauderdale Airshow.
Shot 2 of them down in a Mustang.
Jaeger?
In World War II. No, in World War II. Protecting a bomber spotter. I don't know if it's true or not, but...
Red tails?
They used to shoot them down when they were landing. That's how they catch them.
Well, somehow he got him. He was able to catch him and use his tighter turning radius to get inside. Yep. Yeah, very cool little excerpt that I read.
It wasn't Chuck Yeager?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. I think he was Nation 3 ago. Not in World War II.
Oh, he was in World War II.
He was in World War II as well?
Yep.
Oh, Jaeger? Jaeger was amazing. Oh, Paul was that way. Yeah, Jaeger was amazing. By age, I think he got down 5
I think he got a 262 landing. I think so.
That's a Mustang.
Before the invasion.
Well, no, what you can't see is from here. They just got all stars down the side of it. All the stars represent people that have died in war, and the color scheme has to do with remembrance. See, now this is different.
And this is when they were flying in World War II, or
no, that's how it is. No, this is how they do. Well, now this is how we do.
The stripe for World War II.
The rest of the plane is all
I heard the thing was stripes the night of the invasion of Normandy.
yeah.
A little bit more maneuverable than a P-47.
Yeah, kind of thing.
And only like 130 years. Well, 120 years. And only 30 years before that was the Rifle.
Right. Which is insane.
Yeah, you know?
Clearing up a little. He's doing some passes today. There we go.